how can you make something extraordinary even better? The magic lies in the details. Kemppi X5 FastMig. The Kemppi X5 FastMig is developed with welders' day-to-day work in mind. In industrial welding, even small improvements can significantly increase usability and productivity. The average arc-on time of 20% provides significant opportunities for improvement. Manual MIG welding relies on people, the talent of professional welders. We do everything we can to help them weld easier, faster, and better. Clean, high-quality welds save valuable time in aftertreatment. With the X5 FastMig's latest arc technology, you can overcome the common challenges of steel welding. Touch Sense Ignition ensures fast and precise ignition and minimizes spatter. Challenging welding applications can be tackled with wise, special processes developed with over 70 years of experience in arc welding. Manual welding is a strongly person-driven craft. The usability of welding equipment has an exceptionally great effect on the weld quality and on productivity. Ease of use is at the core of X5 FastMig. The intuitive user interface considers the various needs of welders and welding applications. The auto operation optimizes your welds by ensuring the optimal parameters tested and validated by Kemppi's experienced welding engineers. Ergonomic equipment does not only make welders' day-to-day work easier, but also notably speeds up welding production. X5 FastMig helps welders to reduce unnecessary lifting, moving, and aftertreatment. Kemppi's unique top-loading wire feeder is exceptionally ergonomic to operate, even when hung up in a dual setup. Diverse needs and varying welding tasks require flexible equipment. X5 FastMig's modular setup and extensive range of accessories gives you adaptability that takes your welding productivity to the next level. X5 FastMig. Outstanding welding experience. Extraordinary arc welding productivity.